Hello dear children, as soon as you know that in our previous classes we have discussed the polynomial chapter, in which exercise problems, theorems and as well as many more methods. And today I am going to discuss the last exercise, that is exercise 2.5. Before going to that, in the last class I remind you that the formula related means identities. Identities, you know that algebraic identities are truth values, hence they are called as identities. So today, based upon the identities, I would like to explain the exercise containing the problems, that is 2.5. Okay, let us see. Let us see here the identities. These are called identities. Okay. So the identities, know that the left hand side and the right hand sides are equivalent because of their truth values or true values. Substitute any value, you can get the instead of a, b, c, you substitute any real numbers, you will get the left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence they are called as truth values of the algebraic identities. So according to the identities, so some of the identities are listed over here. I want to explain them. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Next one, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Next one, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Next, a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Next one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The last one, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. So these are all the identities that you know already. So based upon this, I would like to explain the exercise problems. See here, exercise 2.5. Okay, in which first main use suitable identities to find the following products. Here some products of the algebraic expressions are given, in which you have to find the products by using this the previous identities. The first one, x plus 4 into x plus 10, x plus 8 into x minus 10. Second, third one, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. And fourth one, y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. And the last one, 3 minus 2x into 3 plus 2x. The second main, evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. You know that already how to multiply, whether two digit from single digit to n number of digit, you know that. So before going to multiplication, first apply any identities are suitable for these products. So that is why we can make the product by using the identity without direct multiplying them. So now let us begin the solutions. So I have written here the first one. Now look here. So compare this expression, means the polynomial here, binomial polynomials are given. How to find their product? Yes, by using identity. So confirm which identity is suited for this polynomial. Consider it is x plus a, x plus b. So in the solution, on comparing the given polynomial, it seems to be in the form of identity, that is x plus a into x plus b. So that is why on comparing the given polynomial or polynomials, okay, the given polynomials of the form x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b. So therefore you know that x plus a into here x means, so how do you compare this one, this one, this one, this one. So comparing the given polynomials are of the form like this. So now directly x equal to x and a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 10. So therefore you know that the form or identity, so by using the identity x plus a into x plus b, it is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So that is equal to x means here already x is plus a means 4, here x plus 10. So that is why here x means x. square plus a means 4 plus 10 into x plus 4 into 10. Okay, because a is equal to 4, b is equal to 10. So on simplification, so here what I did, because by using identity, call it as identity. That is why hence I return. So x square plus on simplification it becomes 14x plus 14 10 for the 14. So your answer x plus 4 into x plus 10 it is equal to x square plus 14x plus 40. This is the product of these polynomials. Okay. So in the same way, observe here. So this identity I use directly. In the same way, on comparing all the examples, any one of these identity is comparable. So that henceforth again, now I will take any one of the example. Okay. So now this fourth one, I took fourth one. Okay. In the same way, you can solve second and third one. So here compare this one, a plus b, a minus b. Yes, of course it is a plus b into a minus b, because if you take it as a, it is a, y square same. B, both are same. Of course signs are changes, positive or no negative comes. Otherwise you can compare this one, x plus a and x plus b. X plus a, right, x is same but b is same here. Instead of that we can take yes on comparing, okay, it is of the form, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, the given polynomials are comparable. So on comparison I would like to explain this one, because it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So you know that here a means y square and b means 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. So here a plus b into a minus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. So that is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. It is equal to y square minus 3 by 2. Okay, because we need b square value. So that is why b square. Okay. So on simplification, keep the left hand side as it is, y square minus 3 by 2. It is equal to y square minus 9 by 4. On simplification we get minus 9 by 4. So this is the simple solution. So how do you compare? Compare this polynomial, given polynomial into the identities. Among this, which one should be this one? So that is why by usually we can identify the identities, and as well as on comparison we will get the some one identity and we would like to explain according to the identity. So this is the solution. Now take the second main. Already I showed that the second main, what it involves, evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So that is in the second main, the first one they given 103 into 107. How would you explain without multiplying directly? Yes, first we can compare them according to the identity, but it is not, it is need not seems to be an identity. So of course you can convert them. Convert this one. Take constant number here, which is nearest number here, 100, 3, 107. So 100 is fixed. You can keep 100 as a fixed number. 100 plus 3, and here into 100 plus 7. Suppose it is less than 100, you can make it as 100 minus 1. So that is why. Now, of course, it is x plus a, x plus b, or a plus b, a plus b. If it is, but b is not same here. Here is a, here is a. Therefore, on comparison, okay, on comparison, it is of the form. X plus a into x plus b, it is equal to x square a plus b into x plus ab. So here you know that here a is equal to what? So x means, first consider x. So I write here x equal to 100, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 7. Because on simplification I get this identity because of this identity of the list. So that is why. So this is seems to be like that. Now put all these values in this equation. It is 100 plus 3, 100 plus 7. Okay, is 3. Next 100 square plus 3 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 7. Okay, so that is 100 square means 100 into 100. That is 10,000 plus 3 plus 7, 10 into 100. Okay, plus 21. On simplification, 103 into 107 or 103 into 107 is equal to 10,000 plus 100 into 10, 100 into 10, it means 1000 plus 22. Now simplify 10,000, 1000. It is 11,021. Therefore, your answer for 103 and 107 means 103 into 107 become 11,021. Without multiplying directly, I apply the identity. So this is the very simple solutions. Okay. In the same way, consider the identities. Next, I will take on the second main, third one. Okay. The same way, you can solve the second one. Now take third one. Now observe here also. So which identity suits for this one? Any identity, but compare that easy one is x plus a into x plus b or a plus b into a minus b. So otherwise, if any listed out identities are there, you can compare this one. But easy to compare. But before going to comparison, we should convert this one as a binomial. That is binomial terms. So here it is 104. So we can make as 100 plus 4 as the previous case. In the same way, we can convert this one as 100 minus 4. Of course, this is easy. 100 plus 4 is 104. 100 plus 4 is 96. Same. Now on comparing, after comparison, okay. So it is of the form. It is of the form. Which form? X plus a, x plus b. Is it right? X plus a, x plus b. But same one here. So that is why it is a plus b into a minus b. So here this identity or this identity. Consider the left side and the right side also. So this identity source. So that is why. So I took this one 100 as it is x plus a plus b. You can take a plus b into a minus b, because here a is equal to 100, b is equal to 4. So that is why. So need not worry about this side, because b as same. One side is plus and one side is minus. So that is why we can take directly number. So here it is, you know that a plus b into a identity. Write the identity first, in which you can substitute all these values. 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4, it is equal to 100 square minus 4 square. 10,000 minus 16. Okay, because on simplification you will get like that. It is 104 into 96. So that is equal to 4 square means 16. 100 square 10,000. Okay, 10,000. 10,000 minus 16. So subtract 16 only. So it comes automatically 9,000. Okay, 800 and yes, 9,984. Okay, is it right? Once again check it. 10,000 like this, only 16. Okay, 10,980. Okay, so 4, 9 1 goes to 80. Here it is 9. Here it is 9. Right. So yes, without direct multiplying, after applying the identity, we are able to get the answer as 9,984. Yes, assumption is right. So hence way you can take not only these two. Here I just for comparison, I took these two identities only. Instead of that, you can take these other identities also on depend upon the problems. Okay. So next. Now third. Okay, in the exercise 2.5, I will continue the third and fourth main. The third main, factorize the following using appropriate identities for this. Here it is 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Second one 4y square minus 4y plus 1. And third one x square minus y square divided by 100. The fourth may expand each of the following by using suitable identity same. So here x plus 2y plus 4z whole square 2x minus y plus z whole square, and third one minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square, fourth one 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, and fifth one minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square, sixth one 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. So this is the exercise problems. Okay, now look here, the first one, in the third main I want to take the first one. So before going to identity, first we can try to write in the standard form and as well as try to simplify it. Okay, so consider the given polynomial is a trinomial. So is it possible to write once again the terms as like this? Yes, of course, right? 9x square can be written as 3x square, of course. And the last one is y whole square as it is. Okay. So it is observed that it is of the form square, and here consider it is a square and it is b square. So we have to convert this one as 2 into 3x into y. So automatically it is converted as a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now on comparison, okay, after the comparison, it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square, because here a is equal to, look here, 3x and b is equal to 1. Okay, so automatically ab, you know that ab is 3x into y happens. Okay, so now, so therefore your a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is equal to, which identities are used here? A plus b whole square. So that is why a plus b whole square. So substitute a value 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y whole square, it is equal to 3x plus y whole square. So on simplification we will get 9x square plus 2 3s are 6x square plus y square, it is equal to 3x plus y whole square. So this is the simplification of the given polynomial by using the suitable identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. In the same way, I will take the third one also. Now, if it is possible to simplify, you can simplify or write in the form of standard also. Yes, suppose it is standard form binomial and the term x square as this and minus y equal to 100 means it is a factor square number. So you know that the 100 can be expressed as 10 into 10. So that is 10 square. So that is why I would like to write y square divided by 10 square. Okay. Otherwise, you can simplify again y divided by 10. Okay. Whole square. Now compare this whole term x square minus y square or a square minus b square. So on comparison, it is of the form. So that is, look here, a square minus b square, it is a square minus b square. Suppose you want to convert this one as x, again x minus y by 10 whole square, so that is also happens sometimes. So no need to write again one more identity, use whichever suitable. So it is a square minus b square. Hence you know that a plus b into a minus b. Sometimes it comes right hand side comparison, sometimes comes left hand side comparison. So here this comes left hand side. Okay, a square here. So after comparison, take the values a as x and b as y by 10. So therefore, here it is x square minus y by 10 whole square. It is equal to x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. So on simplification, we get x square minus y square divided by 10 square is equal to x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. So this is our required solution. Otherwise, you can write this 10 square as 100 as. Okay, x square minus y square divided by 100 is equal to x plus y by 10 into x minus y by 10. So this is the simple solution using the a square minus b square identity. Here, which identity I used here? So this is the suitable identity for this one. Hence, I use that identity. Okay, now let us start the fourth main. Okay, in the fourth main, first question I took x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Of course, directly it seems to be the identity as a plus b plus s. On comparison, it is of the form. That is a plus b plus c whole square. A, B and C whole square. Okay. Now, so now A here, or you can write here. Here A is equal to, instead of A, X. Instead of B, 2Y. Instead of C, 4Z. That as is. Okay. 4Z. So, of course it is a first square number, but here A, B, C values comes first. That is why instead of A, X, instead of B, 2Y, instead of C, 4Z. Afterwards, square is there. So directly you know that identity expand form as X, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So that is A square minus X square plus B square means 2Y whole square plus C square means 4Z whole square, 2AX into 2Y, okay, plus 2BC, 2 into B into 2Y, sorry, yes, 2 into AB, 2BC, 2 into 2Y, 2ABBC into 4Z, okay, plus 2 into X into C, AC 4Z, okay, 4Z. Now on simplification, okay, so here it is. In the left side, yes, it is X plus 2Y plus 4Z whole square. In the same way, X plus 2Y plus 4Z whole square, it is equal to X square plus 4Y square plus 4Y square plus 16Z square plus 2 2s are 4X square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16YZ, plus 2 4s are 16XZ. So this is our simplification. Suppose you want to convert again the simplification, is there any common terms are there or any common variables are there, we can check it out and afterwards you can simplify. So there is no need to again reduce the part because it is already different variables, it is X and it is Y, is Z. Here also XY, again no XY's are there, YZ other than YZ are not there, XZ no other than XZ variables are there. Hence it is the final result for this expanding form of the X plus 2Y plus 4Z whole square. Again I took the fourth question, okay. So compare this one, of course it is, neglect the sign first. Consider their form. Which of the form it is? It is of the form A plus B plus C whole square. So directly, so I am using this one identity, this one, okay, this one identity. The same way other identities also comes in the next examples. So on comparison, it is of the bottom. It is of the bottom. A plus B plus C whole square. So here, what happened? Here A is equal to right now 3A, and B is equal to minus 7B, okay, and C is equal to minus C, because we have to consider their signs also. If it is there in the form plus is there, okay, identity, but in the given problem it is minus is there. So instead of ABC, their values are exactly written in the form of sign also. So now expand the form or identity. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Okay, so this is. So now simplify this one. Okay, A means 3A plus 2B means 7B plus minus C whole square. Okay, so this is semi bracket. You can use semi bracket. So A means 3A whole square. Okay, 3A whole square and plus minus 7B whole square plus of minus C whole square plus 2 into 3A into minus 7B. Okay, I would like to write here. Okay, plus 2 into 3A into minus 7B plus 2AB, 2BC minus into minus 7B into minus C. Okay, plus 2 into CA means minus C into 3A. So on simplification, it is 3A plus minus 7B minus C whole square. So here it is 3A square means 9A square. So plus into minus. So don't multiply this one. First we can simplify it. So plus 7b whole square is 49b square. Okay, plus c square, because minus c square on expanded form it becomes c square. Plus 2 into 3 into first multiply, they are saying plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, minus 42. Here a into b, minus 42 ab, plus here it is plus, here it is minus into minus become plus, plus as it is plus. Okay, 2 7s are 14, so 14 bc, it is 14 bc, and here plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, and ac or ca the same. So on simplification, your answer 3a minus 7b minus c whole square, that is equal to 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc, okay, minus 6ac or 6ca. So this is our required expanded form of the given polynomial. By using the suitable identity, that is a plus b plus c whole square. So after comparison, after substituting these ABC values in the given identity, so we will get the answer like this. That is 9a square plus 49b square plus c square minus 42ab plus 14bc minus 6ac. So there is no common variables, so again no need to simplify them. So write as it directly. This is the final answer. Okay. So dear students, in this class we learned the exercise problems of 2.5. So by using the appropriate identities, so whichever I listed in the previous, so the same. So you are also do the remaining problems the same way. Thank you.